Once you've expanded a condensed structure, you often want to write that in a skeletal structure. And there's really a general way you can do this. And I've listed the rules here for you. So first thing you can do is really find your longest chain of atoms in the molecule and highlight those. So I'm going to start here at the CH3 and highlight the longest chain that I can find, like this. Then I'm going to number the atoms just to help me keep track of them. Right, from there, we can just draw a zigzag chain. And unless you have a triple bond you have to deal with, you can just draw a straightforward zigzag chain with 10 atoms. So if I do that, there's 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Again, it's not a bad idea to number this just to make sure you keep track of everything. Right, the next thing, let's draw in any heteroatoms that are present in the chain. So specifically, atom 3 is not a carbon, it's an oxygen. So what I'm going to do is, I'm just going to erase that group there and replace the carbon with an oxygen. The next is the nitrogen, which is atom 10. So instead of a carbon, that should be an NH2, and I'll just draw that in. And that takes the place of the carbon. Next, we need to draw in any attached groups. So if we just work from left to right, on carbon 2, we have a CH3 and a Cl attached. So we need to draw those in. One thing I really want you to try to avoid is drawing a group in this large angle of the bond, like that. Instead, draw your groups coming off of the small angle of the bond. So I'm going to draw the Cl and the CH3 up there like that. Next, on carbon 7, we have CH2, CH3 coming off of that. So let's move down to 7. So I'm going to draw a line. There's my CH2 and make a bend to go to CH3. And that gives me that group. The only thing that's left is between carbon 6 and 7, we have a double bond. We'll put that in, and I'll just draw the pi bond between 6 and 7. Now we've drawn a correct skeletal structure for this expanded structure.